Well, this video is about Webflow for beginners. Actually, it's not for beginners, it's beginner to advanced. So I'm going to create a full playlist on Webflow. So I hope you already know how to create an account in Webflow. Just sign up with your email and then you will get this dashboard. And from here we can create two sites. So right now I don't have any site, so I'm going to create my first one. So I'm going to click on new site. There are three options suggested. One is blank site, another one is template. So in this template there are some templates already available by Webflow developers and we can customize them. And next one is tutorial. Webflow have very good qualityful tutorials for us. So I'm going to click on this blank site because I'm going to show you from the very beginning. Okay, they are suggesting us to write our website name. I'm keeping it default. Okay, this is the editing canvas Webflow have brought us, and there are some elements available. And if I click on this first one plus icon add element, then there are some elements which should we drag and drop to this canvas, and this is how we design our website. So first of all, I'm going to give you some idea about how website actually works. So there are two famous websites in our Bangladesh. I have opened their site. One is 10-minute school and another one is Netflix. So actually website work in three ways. One is section, second one is row, third one is column. So first of all, what is section? Section is look. Actually this is a section, a complete section, and there are row, like this is a row, this is another row, this is another row. So there are in total 3 row, and there are one column, there is another column, and there are a single column, there are, you can say it, one column or two column. So this is how a website structure is built on, with section, row and column. Okay, if I delete and if I go down, look, there is another section with a row, column, and this is a complete section from here to here, and then another section is created. If I go to 10-minute school, then you can see again this is a row, this is another row, and this is a column, and all these single item you can grab them as a column. And if I go bottom, then you can see again row, and this is row, and this is one column, and this is another column. So this is how websites are actually built on. So if I go back to Webflow, so first of all what we need is our section. So if I click on this plus icon, I will see there is a section. So if I click on this section, we have got our section. I'm going to give a background color so we can better understand. So this is background and this is color. So we click on here, and this is our background color I have selected, and I will make it bigger, which means I will increase the size with padding. This is upper padding, this is lower padding. Upper padding I'm selecting 60, and in the lower padding I'm selecting another 60. Look, our section has grown up. Okay, so after section, now we need a row. Actually our section is already a row. Still I'm going to take a div for row. Okay, I can take a quick stack, or there are more options available like column, grid. Okay, I am taking grid column to better understand. Okay, in this column, look, this is a row, there are two columns. Actually it's red, so we could not do it. Okay, let me do something. In this column I'm going to change its color to green for better understand. So this is our row, and there are two columns, and I will change columns color to yellow. Yes, again the second one I'm going to change this color to yellow. Yellow or it's light green, something, both are not same, sorry. Okay, now there are two columns, but we can make it three columns when we click on this column, and we can duplicate one. Control D or Control C, Control V. Okay, so this is another way, and we can make it 4, or there are some way, like look in first one has 12 margin, and if we make 6 and 6, then it is 2 column, and there is 3 column, and there is 4 column, whatever we will keep 3 column. So right now we will apply our element on this column. So if I click on plus icon, okay, first of all I select the first column and then plus icon, and I want to add a heading. So here is a heading, all the typography elements are here under typography. So heading, there are 6 heading, I will choose the first one, and I will name it welcome. And in the third column I will add for example a button. So button's color, I will change the button color, it's not charging properly, I will make it white, and text color, I will make this text color to black. Okay, the button is not centered, so we can do something. We can choose this column and make it centered, and we can put some upper margin. Okay, now it's perfectly centered. So this is how we can create our website. Actually websites are built on section, column, row. These are the way. So I hope you got the basic idea about how actually websites are built on. In the next tutorial I will provide you a proper idea on every single elements of them, when to use them and how to use them, and then next step by step we'll build a website, and I'll share all my knowledge with you. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like, then please subscribe, and if you comment, then I will get inspired to create another videos. I have plan of creating a full playlist on Webflow if you guys really support me. So thank you, tata, goodbye.